guess?
Yes, it is underwater volcano.
Yes, it's right. Let's just do.
What materials did we need to do this experiment?
Okay, I will tell you. We need one measuring jar, and we need test tube and one scoop, and red food color and baking soda, and citric acid, and a glass of water and cooking oil. Oh,
Let's do. I'm
Okay.
ready.
okay, let's start. First, we take 10 ml of water. Okay. And pour it into the test sheet. Okay.
What next?
Next, then we add two drops of red food color. Okay. Two drops.
What is next?
We need baking soda. We need 1 scoop of baking soda. We add it into the test tube.
Done. It's done.
Next we take cooking oil. Next we take cooking oil 20 milliliters. Okay. Next we take 20 ml of cooking oil. Just pour it into the okay. And we need citric acid. Did you see the bubbles?
Yes.
The bubbles slowly moving into the water. Wow, super.
It's a great